Do you have some hard to buy for teens or adults on your Christmas list this year? If you do, I made this video just for you. I have some people on my list that seem to have everything, and with the economy the way that it is, who can afford to buy expensive gifts this year, right? So in today's video, I have done all the hard work for you by sifting through hundreds of crochet patterns to bring you this exclusive list of free, you heard me right, free crochet patterns that will make perfect gifts for those on your list that are hard to find gifts for. Now, I am going to break this video up into three sections. The first section is gifts for women. The second is for men, and the third will be just unisex patterns. I did this to make it easier for you so you don't feel like I'm just throwing random patterns at you. And before we begin, I want to let you know that I have made two other videos where I share even more free Christmas crochet patterns. So if you still have some people on your list, or if you are looking for some kid gifts that you need to make sure to check them out next. I will link them to the end of this video. All right, so let's get started with the ladies. The first pattern I am going to share with you is something that I am going to be making for my daughters this year because they love to wear shorts in the winter. These knee-high socks will make a great gift for them so that they can wear their shorts and keep their legs warm all at the same time. This is a free pattern by Brianna K Designs, and I know that my daughters are going to love getting a pair of these. The next pattern is this beautiful textured scarf by Rich Textured Crochet. You can never go wrong with a scarf with winter soon approaching, and this one is sure to put a smile on any woman's face. You could make this in neutral colors or bold colors depending on who you are making it for, but I think whoever you make it for will be thrilled to receive one of these. The third pattern is this beautiful pineapple peacock shawl by Universal Yarn. This style of shawl is really in this year, and they are beautiful and elegant. I think it would make a great gift because it is unique and probably not something that they already have. The fourth pattern is this adorable motif market tote bag. It is by a Crocheted Simplicity. Granny squares really seem to be back in style this year, which makes this market tote bag something that most women will love. Not only is it gorgeous and stylish, but it is also useful. And the fifth pattern for the woman who has everything are these beautiful crochet earrings. These earrings are Courtney earrings, and they are designed by Divine Debris. Now, I have made a few different crochet earrings in the past, and they are so much fun. They whip up quickly, and you would be surprised at how many people really enjoy wearing them. They're lightweight and very unique, which makes them perfect for the one who has everything. Now let's move on to the men. These are patterns that I think will cover any man in your life that is hard to find gifts for because they are something most people would be able to use in their day-to-day lives, and that's something that I look for when I'm looking for a gift for someone. So the first one is socks. Yep, I don't know anyone who couldn't use a good pair of socks. You could make them in alpaca yarn, wool yarn, or cotton. This pattern is by Crochet Fox. They are pretty basic and will not be hard to whip up if you have a few people that you need to make a pair for. And I actually think I'm going to make my husband some of these this year because when he has to go work outdoors, he will find these very useful. The second pattern is a men's classic beanie by Rich Textured Crochet. And I just love gifting beanies to guys because it doesn't matter if they are outdoorsy or if they are a businessman who loves to exercise outside. This is one that is sure to be a gift that would be used and appreciated. Now, the third pattern I came across, and most of the time I do not like men's crocheted sweaters, but this one I just really love. This free sweater pattern is the Brentwood men's pullover, and it is a free pattern by a Crocheted Simplicity. I think I will give this one a try this year and make a few as gifts. And the fourth men's pattern that I want to share with you today is this easy scarf. It's a free crochet pattern by stitchingtogether.com. You can never go wrong with gifting anyone a scarf, so I have to put this on the list. And if none of those patterns are what you are looking for, maybe this fifth one will be. Check out this men's wallet. It is a free pattern by yarnspatterns.com, and it is a basic men's wallet, but I bet it is something that most men don't have because most men do not have a crocheted wallet. And the great thing about a crocheted wallet is that they can be washed. And the last group of patterns that I want to share with you are just a few unisex free patterns that I thought that you would enjoy. This is just to give you some more ideas of things that you could make this year. The first one is this beautiful Malaya stocking by Yarn Plus Chai, because there is nothing that I love more than a beautiful stocking. And it seems that my kids every year run off with their stocking and they are never to be found again. So I think this year I am going to make some as gifts and fill them up with a bunch of goodies so that I don't feel so bad when I don't get them back next year. And the second pattern are these unisex slippers with leather soles by Make and Do Crew. Now, you don't have to add the leather to the bottom. You can add some drops of hot glue if you want slippers that don't slide. But I just loved how these look, and everyone could use a good pair of slippers each year, so these will make awesome gifts. And last but not least are these unisex fingerless gloves. This is a pattern from By Heart Hook Home, and this pattern looks simple and straightforward, giving you sizing options ranging from small women's to large men's size. So you can make everyone on your list a pair of these. I am sure these will be a gift that most people would love to receive. I hope that you have enjoyed this Christmas pattern roundup. Before you go, tell me down in the comment section which patterns you are planning on making this year. Until next time, take care and happy crocheting.